Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box, the technical trader at techtrader.com. It's Thursday, March the 14th. This is the week, the charts of the day, and your weekly swing charts review. Let's get started. We're going to start off with looking at one of the boxer shorts or tech trader swing shorts. That's AKAM after a long uptrend. You can see how the stock broke hard and formed a bear flag. I don't know which point I said short. It's already dropped from 113 a little bit down to about 108 today, and it looks like it may be the beginning of a much bigger move down, which could get you to about 102, 95, and even as low as 88, 90 more. Alongside ALT, pop broke out, ran, and then backed off. You can see the falling wedge also popped out, but with no volume, it backed off again. A lot of stocks are starting to look like they're tired and they're about to roll over. You got to be awfully careful in here, even though there may be one more leg up and it's going to get a fifth wave up. If it does, targets at 12.5 and 16. APP in a rising channel after the breakaway. This is a tech trader swing long. I have designs on getting this stock into the mid to high 70s. AQST, beautiful chart, pop pullback, reversal bar, and a big engulfing one, and then a wedge form. Today it popped out and backed off again, but my target is 7. ATGE came down hard, formed a big bear wedge. This is a tech trader swing short. If it does break, and I'm looking for something around the 41.2 zone, and possibly even 35 if it gets real ugly. And alongside gold, stock AU, fantastic. And I did reach my $23 target. It's consolidating. It may pull back a little bit if it's a buy, in my opinion, around 21. It may consolidate for a while. Next target is 25.5 and 30. AUDC popped out and it's been coiling in here or wedging right on support though. I can see it hold right about there with the target now 15. COHR, this one looks like it today violated support and the channel. It hasn't quite been stopped out. It's a little bit lower than here, but it's in danger of a breakdown. Nevertheless, next target, if it does hold it, it'll be around high 60s. ELEV and a beautiful falling wedge near the apex on wave 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it holds here, I'm looking for the stock to be 5.5 and 7. GPS broke out. Beautiful rising channel long term. Big multi-month consolidation broken. Now looking for 25 and 28. HEAR exploded today. We put a swing on it. I like the overall look. Let's take a step back a little bit. Look at that breakaway gap. Good earnings report. So accretive mergers, that's what it was. So we have a nice base, a terrific breakout. Looking for an extension target to get this immediately near about the 15 3/4 range. Then we're looking at 19. Internet of Things broke out a week ago and it's been consolidating. It looks higher if it can get some energy and the market cooperates. We may see mid 40 and 45. JMIA, they popped out but then backed off and couldn't hold it. Overall look though, nice base, spike up, and a 1, 2, 3, 4 wave move, maybe one more wave up. They're 9.5 to 10. LITE is a tech trader swing short with a head and shoulder top and an island reversal for a head. That looks pretty potent to me. If it breaks down, we're looking at 44, 40, and 36. NKTX broke out and ran. Now it's had a multi-session pullback to support. Some key support here as well. If it holds, great. We can get back into the 18, 19 zone for first the test of 16. If not, you're going to be stopping out shortly. NYT is a tech trader swing short, a long uptrend, followed by a breakdown in the bear wedge. Now today had an engulfing reversal bar to the upside, but not by much, just 1.4%. I won't worry about it until it takes out resistance at 45.6. The target on that one could be and is 40 and 36. OCEA with a big pop wedge. If there is a fifth wave, it could be powerful. I would look for somewhere around 6 and 8. OSCR. Tech trader swing long, really moved up nicely and continued to go until it recently pulled back. Initial support broken there into the gap. Trendline support, well, not quite broken today. It's right on the 50-day and the trend line. Important point for it to hold, otherwise stop. QUIK broke out. We put a swing on it. It continues to push. It's near the first target the 18.5. The next target would be 21. RMBS on the short side, breakdown, rising bear flag, hard break today, down only 1% because it did rally back. But look how the test of the trend line occurred. And if that breaks, 48. Root, maybe the best swing so far this year, broke out. We put a swing on it, just kept going. Literally went from 14 3/4 to 48, 38. And what a phenomenal momentum on this one. If it isn't done, the target's going to be mid-50s. SQ broke out and today pulled right back. That was a little bit of a head fake for me. I'm not sure that shouldn't be stopped pretty quickly if it doesn't hold 79. Secondary support 76. Talk doing great, broke out. We put a swing on it, just keeps moving up. Looks fantastic. 3 3/4, 4.5 for target short term. And finally, Viking broke out. First of all, we put a swing on it when it broke out here, and it just kept going from high 20s into the high 90s. Phenomenal move on this one. You can see how the pullback is testing a gap. Important support here. Be careful. And that's a look at the swing trades that are still in play, both long and short. Good night, everybody.